Hello everyone. If you're trying to play Hytale with your friends and you keep getting this error, fail to connect to any available address, the host may be offline or behind a strict firewall, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues. So I'm going to show you two fixes of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to write here date and time, and you're going to go ahead and sync your date and time along with your time zone to the internet, because if they are not in sync with the internet, your computer has trouble connecting to the internet. So just set your time zone here. After that, click set time automatically and then click sync now on here. Wait for it to sync. Once it's done syncing, now you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to go ahead and port forward the port 5520 on your router. So you're going to go to your router's address. The address usually is this, but you'll need to find your address. It can be like 192.168.11. So you can find it by opening up your start menu. You're going to write here cmd, and then you're going to write here ipconfig. And when you write ipconfig here, as you can see right under default gateway, it says the IP address. You're going to put that IP address, and then you're going to go to that IP address, and then you're going to port forward the port 5520 on your router. So if you don't know how to port forward on your router, you can open up a new tab and search for how to port forward on your router along with your router's name. So for example, how to port forward on a Huawei router, you can write that, and then you can watch any other video to know how to port forward. And once you're done with that port forwarding, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can go ahead and play Hytale, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.